Hey there, I'm Thomas, one of the co-founders of replient.ai, and in this video series we're gonna go through the whole platform replient.ai from onboarding until sending out the comments. And in this video we're gonna look at how you create an account, how you manage all the onboarding, and how to get started with replient.ai. So okay, let's jump right into it. So first of all, just head to our website and click the try for free button to go to the login screen where you can just fill out your information. I'm gonna go ahead and create an agency account now. Create my password. Then I click accept all, and you can create your account in just 1 second. Then you will receive an email with the activation code. Let me just quickly pull that up. All right, now we have the activation of the account, and now it just goes on straight to creating your first brand. So actually, what is a brand on replient.ai? One brand is considered like one company which has like one Facebook account, one Instagram account, one TikTok account, one LinkedIn account, one Google reviews account. So under one brand you can add multiple channels for your brand. And each brand you connect with replient.ai will have its separate AI learning, so you can customize all your settings for each brand you're onboarding here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and create an account for our agency, which is N, and we're gonna go ahead and select brand here. So what does the brand select actually do? So if you're a brand that has like a team beneath, if you're an e-commerce store, then you would select brand here. If you're adding yourself or like an influencer account to the platform, you're gonna select influencer here. And what it does is it adjusts our style of the suggestions we provide. So if you're a brand, it will be like more our company does this and that. And if you're an influencer, it's more like I do that. So yeah, it's just a difference in how our AI suggestions are generated. So I'm gonna go ahead with brand. You can always edit all this information later in the platform, but just for onboarding, just select what fits the best. And after you create your brand, you can connect your different channels to your account. I'm gonna go ahead now and connect all of the available channels for my agency, and I'm gonna start with Facebook. So what you're gonna do is connect to Facebook, authorize the meta authorization, and go ahead and connect your account. So I already logged in before, so for you it will be like visible like this, where you can select your pages. We always suggest that you select all current and future sites that you have on Facebook to authorize the access to Repliant. You can always select which page you want to connect if you have multiple on your Facebook account later. So you just grant access to all pages. We don't take any data from there, except you choose to in the next step. So just select all, also select all of your companies, all your Instagram profiles, and then you can review which data we collect, and then you just hit save and you get redirected back to our application. All right. So now you have connected your Meta Business Suite account where you have listed all your pages. And in the next step, we are fetching all your pages that are available, and then you can select which page you want to connect to your brand. So in my case, this is going to be N, just going to find it here, N marketing. And then you hit connect now, and then it's successfully adding the channel to your account. And then in the next step, we're going to go for Instagram. Please note that there are two options for Instagram. If you're managing your Instagram account through Meta Business Suite, like we are doing for our agency, and you have connected it with your Facebook account, then please select the Instagram connection. Only use Instagram Organic if you're like an influencer and don't have a Meta Business Suite. So in all times that you're running ads on your Instagram channel, or you have connected it into Meta Business Suite, so if you have like multiple users for your brand, then always select Instagram here and select the page. It will be already predefined that it's your linked page from Facebook. Just hit it there and connect. Once you connected to Instagram, you're not able to click on Instagram Organic anymore because you already have connected your Instagram account. Right, if you have did anything wrong, just go ahead and delete the channel from there, and you could just re-edit. If you're missing any of your pages in this drop-down, just please go ahead and reconnect your Facebook authentication. Just click this button. You will be redirected back to Facebook again, where you can edit your last settings and go through it again. Just allow all accesses, and then you will be able to select your pages from there. All right, now let me just quickly select my Instagram account again, and then we can move on with the next platform. Now we're gonna go ahead and connect our TikTok channel of our company to replient.ai. I already connected Facebook and Instagram, and now we just hit TikTok, agree to the terms of service, and authorize our TikTok account. So with TikTok, you just need to sign in to your account. I'm gonna use the QR code integration with my phone. And just scan it here. All right, click accept. And then you get logged into TikTok, where you can select your accesses. So this is what we have access to. I already connected it before, so just allow all accesses there and hit on save or continue. All right, then you can also select your page here. You're gonna see the page ID down below and just hit connect now. The same thing we're gonna do for LinkedIn. We're gonna authorize our LinkedIn organization profile. Please note that only organization profiles are available right now for replient.ai. So you can connect your LinkedIn page, but not your private profile. The same goes for Facebook. So you're not able to connect your private Facebook profile with Replient yet. You could do it with Instagram Organic, so you can connect your Instagram if you're only using Instagram for yourself, like a private profile. You need to switch it to a professional Instagram account, but you will be guided through when you connect via Instagram Organic. So now I'm gonna go ahead and connect LinkedIn. I'm gonna go with this account, log in. And there you go, we just fetched all the available pages from LinkedIn, and we're gonna select Doppel-N Marketing here as well. You're gonna see the page ID and you can hit connect. All right, now we have added Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and LinkedIn to replient.ai, and you can also connect Google Reviews and YouTube. Let's go ahead with Google Reviews, authorize Google. Then just sign into your Google account where you have My Business Access. In my case, this is this account. Gonna go ahead, and you will be granting access to, replient.ai is granting access to your account. Just hit continue, grant all access. Now you can select which locations in your My Business profile you want to connect with replient.ai. Please note that for Google Reviews, it's the only channel that you can add multiple sources to your brand account. So if you have multiple locations, you can just select all of them. I'm gonna go ahead with my agency account. You can see the one here, and you could theoretically just add another Google Reviews account here. But we always suggest that you only add the Google Reviews locations that are linked to your brand and not something else, because please note that learning between your channels is combined, so all of your channels will take part in our AI learning. All right, now let's go ahead to the last channel, YouTube. You can also authorize here. It will be also a Google login screen for you where you can select your account, and then you can select your YouTube channel. Now you just need to grant access to all the scopes we need and hit continue. All right, now let's connect your channel, and now we're done with all the integrations. I'm gonna go over Instagram Organic in a separate video. Just stay on the playlist if you need to go to Instagram Organic. I'm gonna do this in another video. All right, now what you could add on top of your social media channels is additional sources for better AI suggestions. You could go ahead and just paste in your domain. So you gotta go just your domain name and hit connect now. And what we are doing is we are going to your sitemap.xml and gonna check for all the pages listed there, and those pages will be considered as learning for your brand. All right, now we have also added the domain right there. And now last step, we could add some documents. So if you're having like FAQ documents or some brand guidelines that might help solving your customers' problems, then just click on there and upload your files right in there. As of now, you can add text files, PDFs, docs or Excels into replient.ai, but please note that PDFs need to be machine readable, so don't just transfer a photo into PDF, so it needs to have text in there. All right, so basically that's it. We can hit finish onboarding now, and then you will be redirected to this screen where we are now learning from all the sources you connected. So we're gonna go into your Facebook account, search for the last comments that you answered on there, and based on your answers to your customers, we're gonna do the AI learning. So this is how Repliant works. We check your past and gonna go ahead from there. We're gonna provide the best answers you can possibly get on social media for you. I'm gonna wait until onboarding is finished. It's gonna take around 5 minutes and then you will get an email notification, or you could just wait in dashboard down below to just get inside the app and try it out for yourself. I'm gonna continue this tutorial in the next video where I show you around the platform, and yeah, we can get started sending out comments via replient.ai. Thanks for listening and see you in the next video.